Ever had that sinking feeling when your oil light flickers on? Yeah, it's not just a suggestion. It could mean your oil pump is failing. And trust me, ignoring it? Bad idea. In this video, I'll break down the key symptoms of a bad oil pump, why they happen, and most importantly, how to fix them before they wreck your engine. Symptom #1. Low oil pressure. If your oil pressure gauge is reading way too low or your oil light is on, that's a huge red flag. Why does this happen? Your oil pump's job is to circulate oil through the engine. When it starts failing, it doesn't push enough oil and your pressure drops. How to fix it? Check your oil level first. Sometimes it's just low oil. But if it keeps happening, get your oil pump and oil filter checked ASAP. A clogged filter can starve your pump. Symptom #2. Engine overheating. Your oil pump not only lubricates, it also cools your engine. Less oil flow equals more friction, which means more heat. Why does this happen? If your oil isn't getting where it needs to go, parts of your engine start grinding against each other. That's bad news. How to fix it? Check your oil level and quality. Dirty or sludgy oil can make your pump work harder. If everything looks good, you might need a mechanic to inspect the pump itself. Symptom #3. Strange engine noises. Hear a weird knocking or ticking sound from your engine. That's another big clue. Your engine needs oil to stay quiet and smooth. If the pump isn't supplying enough, metal parts start rubbing together, making all kinds of unsettling noises. Don't ignore this. If your engine is making noise, stop driving and check your oil immediately. If the problem keeps up, a new oil pump might be your only option. Symptom #4. Lifter or valve noise. If they sound like they're clicking or chattering, your oil pump might not be pushing enough oil up to them. Valves and lifters rely on oil pressure to function. When that pressure is low, they don't work properly. Before replacing anything, try an oil flush. It could just be sludge buildup restricting flow. If that doesn't help, it's time to check the pump. Bottom line, if you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait. A bad oil pump can destroy your engine fast. Check your oil first. If the problem keeps coming back, get it looked at by a pro before it turns into an expensive repair.